Well, folks, got him down in the bottom this time, baby. He finally made a mistake and came in early tonight. But to bust me a coon, too, if that little sucker walks back out. Man. Big pig. Been coming in almost every night, but he's been tricking me. He's been coming in all different kinds of times. Well, tonight was the night. Swine time. It's kind of weird because this is a closer shot when I sneak down here. The other stand is about 100 yards away from the feeder. But when you sneak down at this spot, you're literally probably only 60 yards. So I had to be real quiet. And we just got a rain yesterday. And so that made for an easy stalk without having to worry about the ground and the vegetation and the leaves and everything being crunchy. And so I snuck down here, and when I turned my infrared light, it's just a real light red glow is all they see. But he kept looking at it, so I figured it was just, I was going to get a little more footage of him munching down on that corn, but I didn't like the way he was looking at me, so I went ahead and took care of business. What's up, YouTube? It has been a while. I know I seem like I always say that, but when you live on a river and it's been over a month since you've had a chance at a pig, it's been a while. So anyway, we just got a good rain yesterday. It's March the 9th. Like I said, I got about a 3/4 inch rain yesterday. Normally I shoot them up top, which is about a 100-yard shot. This time I snuck down the bottom and put a stalk on him, and it's about a 60-yard shot. But it was an easy stalk because everything was wet and quiet, so the walk in was real nice and quiet. But it's a pretty good sized pig. Looks like he got a lot of hair. He's pretty gnarly. But we're gonna go check him out, and hopefully I won't have to put it in 4-wheel drive to get down. I got a couple little low spots I got to go through, and but we're gonna go get him and take care of him and let y'all take a look. Stay tuned. All right, I'm gonna give y'all a little view of us going down here. That's the house, and driving down to the river bottom, kind of. Not in the river bottom, but you know. Right here's where I take a right if I go up top when I'm walking down there to the air stand, where it's about 100 yards. And if you go to the left, which is where we're going down right now, this is where you go down inside the brush next to the river. And it's a little spot where the water crosses, so it gets a little soupy here, but not too bad. And then there's another little spot right here that's even a little deeper. But as you can tell, it's pretty thick. And like right now, I'm sliding basically down this little slope. Because it's that old red clay out here, and it's just real slick. I see a big old dead pig. It's always good to see. I like it. Actually, you know, this pig is not as big as I thought he was. Looks like he has some good teeth, but he's not quite as big as I thought. We're fixing to hop out and check him out. I'll get turned around here. Alright. Hey, he's a little more girthy than I thought. Put it smack in his old head. I'm thinking it looks like I hit him right. right there. Let me zoom out here a little bit. Sorry for the graphic, but yeah, it looks like the bullet hit right there. And then it ran down. And his teeth ain't too, just average sized teeth, tusk. Pretty good sized little pig though. Ooh, I'm gonna have fun. You're out in the middle of all this mud. Goodness. Now that I came all the way down here, I'm not even sure if I've got a dadgum knife. Ain't that lovely? Hopefully that'll hold. We'll see. All right, folks. I got him. This pig has been playing cat and mouse game with me for a while now. He's not a huge pig. I'm gonna say he probably weighs 125 probably. But check out his hair. I mean, he's what you might call, I guess, a razorback. He's got all this hair that sticks up like crazy right through here. But anyway, it's March the 9th. The wind's out of the northeast. Very light wind. Good stalking conditions because it was, you know, real quiet due to the 3/4 inches of rain we got. 3/4 of an inch of rain we got yesterday, and so everything's nice and wet. And that's normally when they move the best. You know, when it's raining or right after a rain. And he's been coming in, like I say, with the cat and mouse thing. Shoot, like one night he'll be here at 2 o'clock in the morning, and one night he'll come in for 5 minutes at noon, you know, at midnight, and then he won't show back up till 4 in the morning. And then, you know, he might come in for 5 minutes at 8, you know, 9 o'clock, and then he might not show up again, you know, 15 more minutes at 2 o'clock, and then he might come and say 3 hours later. You know, he's all over the place. This is a very, but one thing that he was consistent about is coming at least every day. Just don't know what time of the night it's gonna be. Well, tonight he made the mistake of coming out pretty early. I don't know what time it is. I think it was about 8:30 or so whenever I first came out here. 8 o'clock to 8:30. But I had the 223 AR15 ready to go with the ATN night vision scope with the infrared illuminator light. And it all came together, stalked down about 60 yards, and let him have it, dropped him like a rock. And the rest is history. But if y'all have not yet, subscribe to my channel. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that like button, hit the thumbs up, and make a comment. And then if you like what you see, click on that notification bell so you'll be notified of my new content whenever I do have some come out. This is what I mainly do right here. I do a lot of hunting. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Later.